JJ.A.C Tech Channel. V380 BP3, Smart Outdoor Dual Lens Pan Tilt Camera, Unboxing and Installation. Video resolution, 3840 by 2160 at 30 frames per second, 4mm fixed lens, 4x optical zoom, 265-degree horizontal rotation and 90-degree vertical rotation, full color, 12 white lights and 12 infrared lights, night vision distance up to 30 meters. Two-way audio and motion detection alarms are supported. MicroSD cards up to 128 GB are supported. Connectivity, 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and RJ45 Ethernet, does not support PoE, IP65 water resistance. Package contents, installation guide, mounting template, brackets, and kits, 12-volt DC power adapter, V380 BP3 unit. Remember to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.